Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Twitter is going up 7.19% right now. That's great. Is Twitter a buy right now or is it a sell? Let's try to answer all of these questions and more in this video, but first, remember my friends, are you already my subscribers? Please click on the like button to support me. If you're new around here, would you consider subscribing? Because I do daily videos, daily analysis on Twitter, NVIDIA, AMD, Tesla, and many other stocks. I'm sure you're going to like our content. Now, back to Twitter. Twitter is doing exactly what we wanted since our previous analysis on it. When we analyzed Twitter, it was jumping 27%. Right now, it is just doing a pullback, waiting for the 21 EMA to get closer to the price at least, and right now we see a good reaction. That's quite good. That was the pullback we wanted. In my humble opinion, as you guys know me, pullbacks are just opportunities to buy. If you see a stock that is in a crystal clear bull trend like Twitter, pullbacks are just opportunities to buy at a discount. Okay, so this is how I see a pullback like this, and right now we do see a nice reaction. Of course, we have many catalysts going on. For instance, we have Elon and Jack. They are talking about Twitter right now, and I agree with both of them. In order for Twitter's board to become more aligned with the shareholders, we must see these guys increasing their positions on Twitter. For instance, personally speaking, as an investor and as a trader, when I am analyzing any company, I always like to see how much shares the CEO or founder, how much shares these guys own of their own company. If it is too little, I usually don't like this as a long-term investment. And right now it feels to me that Twitter, the board members, they must increase their positions in order to become more aligned, because this makes no sense. If you see, for instance, the insiders selling in this image over here, you see many of them are selling, especially this guy, Robert Kading. And you see, who the hell is Robert Kading? Well, Robert Kading is this guy over here. He is the Chief Accounting Officer. You see the Chief Accounting Officer selling the shares of his own company. I mean, this is crazy. I do not like to see this happening. What's more, he owns only 0.002%, a little bit more than $600,000. So this is terrible, all right? I don't like this going on any company. And this is one of the reasons why Twitter might be totally undervalued to me, because right now Twitter should be around $80 in my humble opinion, okay? I firmly believe Twitter is bullish. We're gonna fill these gaps in the midterm, meaning we're gonna hit $64.73, but the fair valuation should be around the $80. So what the hell is going on? I think the management is to blame in this situation. So yes, I think Twitter has more upside potential, and Elon is talking about a very important, crucial point on Twitter in order for it to truly reverse and become an amazing company in the future. Right now, if you ask me, okay, only technically speaking, okay, let's forget the fundamentals, let's forget the news, the insiders, and etc. Only looking at this chart over here. Is Twitter a buy or a sell? Well, I think it is a buy. It is much more interesting to buy than to sell. Why? Because Twitter is in a bull trend. It is doing higher highs, higher lows. It is above the 21 EMA, and we just did a pullback right now, meaning it is trading at a discount. Now, if you want to sell it or short it, you might do that too, but the risk-reward ratio makes no sense to me. Right now, if you want to buy it, okay, you have a good excuse to buy. It is going up nicely today. We are getting closer to the EMA. However, let's just keep our eyes open to some important key points, which is the 44.44. This is the most important support level on Twitter. Only if we lose this point, I believe we're gonna fill this gap around $39, okay? Only if we lose this black line. Right now, we are still above this black line, so great. It is still a bull trend. The most important resistance for us to work with is probably the 48.49, this area over here, okay? 48.55. This is the most important resistance. In order for Twitter to resume the bull trend and seek the previous resistance level at $54, we must break 48.55. This is the most important resistance right now. If you're gonna break it right now, today or tomorrow, I don't know. I don't care. Let's keep our eyes open at these key points. And as far as I know, Twitter could keep range trading for a while before it can explode. And I think that's the most desirable option right now at this moment. But I am glad, I'm pleased with this reaction. I think it is a very good and important reaction. And Twitter might go up right now. Again, my mid-long-term target is 64.73. I firmly believe Twitter is going to fill both gaps in the future. Let's keep our eyes open, okay? Let's keep our eyes open at these support levels over here, and I will keep you guys updated on this. So remember, if you want to trade with me, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter. Every single week, we rotate our portfolios, and you may check over here in this document every single one of my past trades. Just subscribe at our trading newsletter if you want some consistency in your life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.